Welcome to my office. Today we're going to do an acupuncture treatment on a patient to try and balance out her health. I'm glad that you're here today. I'm going to show you some interesting things. If you look behind you, these are videos that I make. They're all educational on acupuncture, medical Qi Gong, different ways to balance your life mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually, and that all has to do with balancing our health, both internal and external. Come with me. We're going to take a look at the patient and see what we can do to help her out. This is Alyssa.
Hi.
And she came in today, said she's having a little bit of stomach difficulty, but we want to see what's going on generally in her health. Now, the first thing I do on a diagnosis is I take the pulse. Different than in Western medicine. The pulses that I'm looking for is this is her left hand, this is the heart right here, stomach and spleen, and the adrenals. And by feeling the quality of the way the blood moves through her pulse or through her hand, I can determine what's going on. How old are you now?
23.
23 years old. So she's still young and healthy. Let's just take this off for a second and let's see what's going on this side. Lungs are strong. Liver's good. Kidney's pretty good too. And can I take a look at your tongue? Okay, if you look at her tongue, it has a few little red marks there. That means a little blood stagnation. And it's a little bit white coated with a red tip. So we're going to have you lay on your back and we're going to do a treatment that'll help you out and you're going to feel much better. Now, what I want to do is I really want to do an energy pattern where I'm starting to move the Qi. Qi is energy. If we move the Qi, what follows Qi is blood. What's in blood is oxygen. So if we can get the blood flowing, more oxygen, she's going to feel the strength, and whatever's going on in her little tummy is going to feel better in a matter of moments. So I'm only going to use 4 acupuncture needles on you today. As you can see, the needles are individually packaged. When we use them one time. They're little teeny needles, very thin. Whoa, they're so thin, and you won't even feel them. Have you ever had an acupuncture treatment before? No. Okay, well, this is the first time. This is a little guide tube. It's a little plastic tube, and I just place the needle in here. The needle's in the tube, and then I'm going to come down to her foot, and right here on liver 3, I'm just going to place a needle in. Boop, there it is. Needle's in. I'm going to come up to her hand, and on her hand here, large intestines 4, right there, the little high spot, I'm going to put the needle right there and just touch it. Boom. And there we go. The needle's in, so we're getting the energy to start moving. We're going to do the same thing on the opposite hand, where, if I could just have your little hand for a second. Great. Place it there. Look for the highest spot, and just place the needle in. Great. You feeling okay?
Yeah.
This is like an easy treatment, and you're going to see your energies are going to be good. You're going to have a lot more energy. You're going to feel good, and that's what we're looking for. This needle is bent, so we use this new one. And right over here, right there, just placing that. So this treatment's called the 4-gate treatment, and what we're doing is we're moving the energy through her whole body. As we move that energy, her body will start to relax at a deeper level. It'll balance her out. This is a treatment that I do often on people. There's really nothing wrong with her. There's a little bit of discomfort in the stomach, but we'll move all this. We're not even going to have to bother with the stomach. We'll let her relax for about 10 minutes, and then she's going to feel refreshed, have a lot of energy. She's going to feel great. Are you okay?
Yeah.
All right, I'll be right back. I'm going to let you relax for about 10 minutes.
Okay.
Good. And now, after she's relaxed for 10 minutes, I'm going to just take the needles out. As you can see, they're so thin, it doesn't even make a mark, and there's no bleeding at all, because when you pull the needle, the skin closes up. Same thing on the feet. Just remove the needles. How are you feeling?
Relax.
Thank you very much for coming in.
Thank you.
And I'm going to see you again next week. And we'll do a treatment for a couple weeks in a row. And then we'll make it every 2 weeks and then every month. And before you know it, your energy, your vitality, your strength, your libido, everything, it's going to go way up. You're going to feel great. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Thanks for coming in. It's Dr. Wu. Keep on practicing.